Back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to draw outline or border on the text or values. So without wasting time, let's start video. So here you can see home option, so click on home options. So in home options you can see font box. So in font box here is the options of draw outside border, so click on it. So after this here you can see different options of border. So firstly select the data. So after this click on it, and if you want to add border on the bottom side, so just click on it. So you can see border is added on the bottom side. So if you want to add all border, so just click on here and you can see all border is added. So if you want to add a border manually, so here you can see draw border, so just click on it and then you can draw border anywhere. So if you want to add grid border, so just click on it and here you can see draw grid border. So here you can draw grid border anywhere. So guys, in this way you can draw grid border. So again here you can see different options. So you can select thick bottom border, bottom double border, or thick outside border. So you can select any one according to you. So sometime we want to erase a border, so here you can see the options of erase border. So just click on it, so you can erase a border very easily. So guys, in this way you can erase border in the Excel and you can draw border in the Excel. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.